Okay, here we go. Lateral sound this time. Got the root first up. Had this one a little while. Got this from Manson's in Exeter. It's a pretty brutal distortion pedal, to be fair. Let's see, pretty much everything dined. What you've got is you've got a tone, which is quite a big sweep. You've got your level. Again, they're pretty standard controls. The interesting stuff, and what I think John is a Lateral tries to do, there's always got to be some sort of thing that evens it out. Basically here, what you've got is you've got a low gain, a girth and a high gain. So you've got independent gains for your highs, for your lows, but also what that girth control does is allow you to, when your distorted lows, or where your lows are going to be distorted, so you can have it full like I have, which is basically no low end loss. Obviously there is a little bit because it's a distortion pedal. I think unless you've got a clean blend, you are going to lose something. It's not a lot. I think if anything, it probably makes it a bit thicker, maybe compresses the low end, obviously probably because it's a distortion. The high gain gets pretty brutal, but it's obviously it does do the lower gain stuff. I like it for the high gain stuff. So here's a clean sound. And here's the root. These are obviously the settings that I use it on. We'll go through a few more. So there you go. What you do is we'll dial the tone up a bit. See, obviously a bit more bass end. Give it. It's got quite a wide sweep to it. Obviously for a bass you'll never use it this high. Obviously never use it that high. I am better there. Obviously low gain, if I turn that all the way down, you'll get a lot more clean bass come through. And the same if I turn the highs down now. Does do the low gain stuff quite well. Obviously not what I use it for. I quite like the high gain just dimed a little bit. If I actually show you where it's the girth control, all the way the opposite direction. So yeah, that's the Lateral Sounds route. John is an awesome dude. He actually informed me this pedal is actually modded for John Paul Jones. So yeah, I wouldn't be saying. I think his new ones, or the ones that you can get now, the tone stack is slightly different. I think that affects the girth control and whatnot. It's a slightly different. So I think this one's got slightly scooped mids. That one's a bit more even across the board. But check him out, lateralsounds.co.uk, I believe. Thank you very much.